Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Shure Stem speaker as part of the Stem ecosystem network web interface speakers, and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting in case this speaker is not working right for some reason, like it's frozen or not responding or not connecting to your to the internet or to your Wi-Fi or anything like that. If it's not detected, a factory reset can fix a lot of those issues. The second reason you might want to do this is if you're setting this up someplace new and you just want to, get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, so we can set it up like it's a brand new device. We can go ahead and do that pretty simply. All we need to do, and just keep in mind when you do this, this is also going to factory reset any other Shure Stem devices that are paired together on the same ecosystem. But anyways, so here we go. You're just going to come and press and hold the volume up and volume down button, the plus and minus buttons on the device, for about 5 seconds until you hear the speaker. It'll start to read out the IP address. Once it reads out the IP address, you want to release the buttons, and then within 2 seconds, so pretty much right after, just release and then press and hold the up button for 5 more seconds. And once you do that, the unit, this speaker will display a fast flashing red light on all of the devices in the room, and then after 5 more seconds, all the devices will restart into their factory default settings. You can set them up like new devices.